Don't forget to like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel, CS with Ness. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss, flowcharts. Flowcharts are graphical representation of a process or system, using different symbols and lines to depict the flow of information or actions. They are widely used in various fields, including programming, project management, and business analysis. In this video, we'll explore the different symbols used in flowcharts, show you a real-world example, and even demonstrate a simple program. Let's dive right in. Before we delve into the practical examples, let's first familiarize ourselves with the symbols commonly used in flowcharts. These symbols help us visually represent different elements of a process. Here are the 5 basic symbols we'll be discussing today. The terminator symbol is represented as an oval shape. It indicates the start and end of a flowchart. The process symbol, represented by a rectangle, represents a specific action or process that occurs within the flowchart. The input-output symbol, depicted as a parallelogram, represents data or information entering or leaving the system. The decision symbol, shown as a diamond shape, represents a decision or branching point in the flowchart. It typically involves a yes, no, or true, false condition. Flow lines or arrows connect the symbols and indicate the direction of the flow within the flowchart. They illustrate the sequence of actions or the order in which the process occurs. Now that we have a good understanding of the symbols, let's explore a real-world example to see how flowcharts can be applied. In this flowchart example, we have a simplified process for ordering a pizza online. Let's go through it step by step. We start with the terminator symbol indicating the beginning of our flowchart. Next, we have the input-output symbol where the user provides the flavor. After deciding the flavor, the flowchart moves to another input-output symbol where the user provides their information such as delivery address and contact details. Here the user can enter whether the delivery must be done now or later. We can assume that a Boolean value, which is either true or false, can be entered. These 3 input-output symbols can be combined as one, and the information entered by the user can be represented as one input-output. At this point, we encounter a decision symbol. Here, the flowchart branches based on the user's choice of delivery time, immediate or scheduled. Regardless of the delivery time, the flowchart moves to the payment process, where the user provides payment details. Once the payment is processed, we move to the confirmation step. At this point, the system will generate an order number. We can assume that the system increments in the previous value, where the user receives an order confirmation. Finally, we end our flowchart with the terminator symbol, indicating the completion of the process. That was a simple example of a flowchart in action. Now, let's try it back to programming by demonstrating a basic program using a flowchart. In this example, we'll create a simple program to check if a given number is even or odd. Let's take a look at the flowchart first. Here's the flowchart that represents our even-odd program. We start with the terminator symbol. Next, the program asks the user to enter a number. Then, we have a decision symbol to check if the number is divisible by 2. In programming, we can use the function of mod or modulus to find if it is completely divisible. Based on the result of the decision, we print even or odd. Finally, we end the program with the terminator symbol. Now, let's see the corresponding program implementation in a programming language. This is a Python program that finds whether the number entered is even or odd. We have successfully translated the flowchart into a simple program. We can see how the flowchart's decision symbol corresponds to the if statement in the program. That concludes our video of flowcharts. We've covered the basic symbols, explored a real-world example, and demonstrated how flowcharts can be used to create a simple program. I hope you found this information helpful and that it sparks your interest in flowcharting. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, I hope you liked the video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section. That's all for now. Peace out.